Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to optimize your hair growth. While you can't drastically change your genetic growth rate, which is typically about 1/2 inch per month, you can create the best environment for your hair to thrive. We'll focus on foundational health and proper care practices to support your hair's natural potential, ensuring it grows as quickly and healthily as possible. It's all about working with your body, not against it, for luscious locks. Nourishing your body from within is paramount for healthy hair. Hair is primarily made of protein, so ensure your diet is rich in it. Key vitamins like biotin, vitamin D, and vitamin E are crucial for follicle health. Don't forget minerals such as iron, zinc, and selenium, which prevent loss and promote growth. Always consult a healthcare professional before taking supplements, as too much of a good thing can sometimes be detrimental to your well-being. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair growth. Keep your scalp clean to prevent blockages and inflammation. Daily, gently massage your scalp for several minutes. This stimulates blood circulation to the follicles. Opt for mild, sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners to protect your hair's natural oils. Also, try to minimize heat styling and harsh chemical treatments, as these can severely damage your hair and hinder its natural growth process. Beyond diet and care, lifestyle plays a huge role. Effectively managing stress is vital, as high stress can lead to hair shedding. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night for overall health. Let's also debunk a common myth. Frequent trims don't make hair grow faster, they only remove split ends, making hair appear healthier. Remember, consistent, healthy habits are far more effective than any quick fix for achieving your hair growth goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.